Hello guys, it's Corey here. Today we're going to be doing another repair on my Golf TDI. So I noticed the other day that one of my underbody plugs was torn in the rear here. Right where the spare tire is up above here. If you look, these are the 40mm plugs. Here's a good one here, it looks to be okay. And this one up front here is torn pretty good. So I need to get that replaced. And there's actually three back here. One here, this is just a little drain plug. Another one right there. And one towards the rear of the vehicle right here. These are the 40mm plugs. There's so many different types of plugs under this vehicle. But these are the 40mm plugs. There's three back here. So I need to take my spare tire out and everything, and then I can replace it that way. Okay, I have everything removed, the spare tire's out. As you can see, this plug here is the bad one. So I don't want any water getting up in here. This one looks to be okay. And this one's okay too. So this here just simply pulls right out. Just like that, and that was pretty well shot. You can see it's all ripped up. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit here, and then I will replace it. I have the new plugs here. I bought three. These were only $1.80 piece from idparts.com. The part number is actually on the plug itself. I'll take it out of the package here, it'll be easier to see. Okay, there's the part number, 1K0899185. This is a 40mm plug. Now remember, this side goes up. This will be in the interior of the vehicle, this will be underneath. Okay, I got this area nice and clean. I'll take my new plug and simply push it into place. And I'll crawl under the vehicle and make sure that the other side looks okay. There we go. Let's take a look underneath. It looks pretty good. Nice good seal. I don't have to worry about water splashing up in there when I'm driving down the road. It's always good to keep a few of these plugs on hand. This is probably one of the more common sizes, these 40mm ones. As you can see, there's one there, one over here. They're all over the place. So you never know when you might get one with a tear in it. It's a good idea to replace it. They're cheap enough. So. Okay guys, that is it. Spare tire's back in, everything's good to go. That's one thing I do love about this car, it has a full-size spare though. Alright guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe.